Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This website is also available in light and dark mode. You will get the source code in the description. Try to build this project. Definitely you will be able to learn something from it. I hope you learn something from it. As I told you, it is also available in light and dark mode. You can see here. We have added box effect also, and I've used uh, flex and grid CSS in this. Now let's go through the website. Right now we are in the header section. You can see the hover effect on the navbar elements. Then you can see the moon icon for change of theme. That is, right now we are in the light mode. Then we can, by clicking on it, we can go back to the dark mode, and you can see the moon icon has been switched with sun icon. So whenever you click on this icon again, you will be moved back to the light mode, and you can see the image hover effect and the box effect around the portfolio image. You can see the button hover effects and box shadow effect and 360-degree rotation on the social media icons. Then you can see the uh, about me section. You can see the animation also. This is a smooth animation by swiper. Scroll reveal JavaScript library. You can see education hover effect and box shadow effect on the entire section. Then projects, travel website, movies website and portfolio website. You can see them by going through the demo section. You can see the buttons and the icons. Then the contact me form, then button hover effect. This entire website is available in the dark mode also, so you can go through like this. This is the dark mode. About section, education section, projects, then contact. Try to have as many features as possible in your responsive portfolio websites, because you'll get only few minutes of time by the recruiter to get for you to impress them. And this website is available in mobile version also. Let me show you that. See, this is the mobile version. Let me show you the animation, the education internship, that is the experience, then projects, contact. You can change the theme back to light mode by clicking on the sun icon on the navbar. And we have a responsive navbar here, you can see. Then it automatically closes back. The functionality is added by using JavaScript. You can see the smooth transition. And this entire website source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe, and definitely try to visit the channel. It takes a lot of efforts to build them, and I'm gonna share you the entire full tutorial where I will explain you line by line code, the entire code, so that you can understand each and every section, HTML, CSS and JavaScript entire functionality. Please do subscribe to my channel to get that full tutorial. The source code is available in the description. Thank you so much.